Hello.
Hello, Amina.
Myra.
I am well, thank you. What have you
Thank
made?
you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
I know you're always busy making beautiful sandwiches and wraps for the whole of Sydney.
Thank you.
But today I thought I'd make you chicken shawarma rice bowls. So part of the rice bowl, as you can see, there's a couple of elements. Braised spiced chickpeas. We've got some turmeric rice, a salad,
Yes.
roasted almonds, and a really punchy garlic yogurt with mint and cucumber.
Amazing.
And of course, the star of the show,
Of course.
Fettayleh's chicken shawarma.
Of course.
Cutlery's there, my love.
Thank you.
Please dig in.
All right. I'll get a little bit of.
Have you tried the Fettayleh chicken shawarma?
One of my deli boys last night had the Fettayleh chicken shawarma for
Uh-huh.
dinner and raved about it.
Uh-huh.
So I'm glad you manifested this into real life. So
There
this
you
is a
go.
big spoonful, so forgive me.
No, enjoy. Generous eating is what we like. It's good, eh?
This is
That shawarma, it's all pre-done for you. All you need to do is just whack it on a hot pan and boom, it's done.
I think that's why he was able to cook it. Because he bought it from Woolworths and his cooking skill isn't high. This is delicious.
Enjoy, Myra, and thank you for coming on board and tasting Fettayleh's chicken shawarma.
Thank you, Amina. It was amazing.